To enable Coinbase Sell Crypto, start by logging into your Coinbase account using your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or generated by your authenticator app. Once you are logged in, click on the Buy and Sell tab at the top of the page. This will take you to the main trading interface where you can view your available balances and transaction history. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell from the list of available assets. You can choose from popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, depending on what you have in your portfolio. After selecting the cryptocurrency, enter the amount you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount or your entire balance. Make sure to review the fees associated with the sale, as these can vary depending on the payment method and your location. Now, select your payment method. Coinbase allows you to deposit funds directly into your bank account, PayPal, or other supported payment methods. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Before confirming the sale, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount being sold, the fees, and the payment method. If everything looks good, click Confirm to complete the sale. Your funds will then be deposited into your chosen payment method, usually within a few business days. Keep in mind that selling cryptocurrency can result in tax implications, so it is a good idea to consult with a tax professional to understand your obligations. Finally, always prioritize security when using Coinbase or any other cryptocurrency platform. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and monitor your account activity regularly to protect your assets. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily enable Coinbase Sell Crypto and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio with confidence.